Hi guys, welcome to Sanika and Shuffle's World, and today we are going to show you Sundarban and Bagherhat, and have visited some mosques there. One mosque is the 60 Domes Mosque. It's really famous. So now let me tell you some information about it. It's mostly popular is as Shahid Gambuz Mosque or Shahid Gambuz Masjid, and it is a part of the mosque of city of Bagherhat, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is the largest mosque in Bangladesh from the Sultanate period 1204 to 1575. And do you know, beside the mosque there is a beautiful lake. We have washed our faces in it. It was so refreshing there. And it was built during the Bengali Sultanate by the Ulugh Khan Jahan, the governor of the Sundarbans. Okay? And it has been described as one of the most impressive Muslim monuments of the whole of the Indian subcontinent. Okay, everyone? And now we will see us chasing goats in front of the Shahid Gambuz Mosque. Okay?
ওই যে সাপিল, ওই যে একটা সাপিল, ওই যে
And now we will show you our visit to the world's largest mangrove forest, which is Sundarban. And one thing, we have not gone too far of Sundarban. We have just gone to the spot which is Karamjal by a speedboat, and that speedboat is two-storied, but the speedboat man has only taken our family, and so we can go there really enjoyingly. But in some speedboats, to 4 or 5 family goes by, and there is no space to even keep your hands. But we haven't done it. We have gone just one families, and that's more like it. And one thing, if we go to the downs floors, because in the downstairs there is engine, there were so many noise. Yes, it's so lovely. Now you will see us feeding the deers in the Sundarban. They were so cute. Oh, look, we're feeding the deers. Now, let me tell you some information about the Sundarban. The Sundarbans is a mangrove area in the delta formed by confluence of the Ganges, Brahmaputra and Meghna rivers in the Bay of Bengal. It spans from the Hooghly River in India's state of West Bengal to the Baleshwar River in Bangladesh. It compares closed and open mangrove forests, lands used for agricultural purpose, mudflats and burn lands, and is intersected by multiple tidal streams and channels. For protected areas in the Sundarban are enlisted as UNESCO World Heritage Site, which Sundarban National Park, Sundarban West, Sundarban South and Sundarban East Wildlife Sanctuaries. Despite these protections, the Indian Sundarbans was considered engaged in a 2020 assessment under the IUCN Red List of the Ecosystem Frameworks. Okay? Wow! Look! Look, the deer and the shuffle are playing. Now they're best friends. Now another deer is coming too. They're not best friends. Now everyone, let me give you a really strange information. I think you have seen our zoo video. Before this video, if you haven't seen, the link is in the description box below. And there, all of the animal there is moved from here. The tigers, the monkeys, and also the deers. And some deers are kept here to be for fun for the kids. And the elephants, the crocodiles, every animals. And look, the monkey. And we have seen more monkeys, many monkeys here. And also some crocodiles. So many crocodiles where there is a lake. And many monkeys where we are crossing a bridge made by wood. And guess what? If you walk there, you will think that I will fall. Oh my god. So everyone, please come here. This place is so beautiful. And now, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our channel to get more awesome videos like this. And turn on the notification bell so you are the first one to watch our newly uploaded videos, and share this video with your family, friends and relatives. Okay, bye bye, see you in next video and stay tuned until the next video everyone. Bye.